Hello, welcome to my maths class. Today I will tell you about factors and multiples. Now, what is the concept of factors and multiples? See, multiples are the multiplication and factors are the division. I will tell you the concept behind it. Multiple is derived from multiplication. Means, suppose I want to take the multiple of 8. Now 8's multiple will be first 8 and then 2 times of 8, that is 16, 3 times of 8, that is 24, 4 times of 8, that is 32. How did it come? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Right? So 8 2 is 16, then all 8 3 is 24, then all 8 4 is 32, then all 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, like this. So what is this? Multiple is continuing till infinity. It will not stop anywhere. So multiply is what? The number of times this number is going to take place, or in other way we can say the table of 8 is multiple of the 8. Now factor. Factor, what is factor? Factor is divide, or you can say division of a number. Suppose we take here 8 only. So what is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 is the number. Now divide this equal to 2 parts. So it is going to be this. Here it is 4, 4. So one factor is 4. Now again divide the remaining part into equal 2 parts like this. Now what is this? 2, 2. So next factor is equal to 2. Now remaining part is here 2. Again divide equal part. So it is 1, 1. So next factor is 1. So 1, 2, 4. In other words, we can write here 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. In this line, this multiplication sign tells that this 1 is multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So 8 is multiple and 4 is factor. Here I am writing F for factor. 2 is factor and 1 is factor. So 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So multiplied word is there. So you will say it is multiple as well as it is factor also. So you can write it as F also. 8 अपना factor भी कहलाता है. So like you say, you take the table 8 ones are 8, right? In this equation what do you say? 1 is multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. So it is M multiple, it is F, it is F. So 8 is a factor as well as 8 is a multiple. So this way we can say the smallest factor is here is equal to 1 and highest factor is what? Is that particular number, right? So now I summarize this. The factors of 8 is equal to, we take from descending order 8, 4, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is the factor of 8. In the same way, we can take any other number. We can start from this figure, right? we can make number of object equal to 2 parts, equal to again 2 parts, the smaller portion again equal to parts, and this way we will get the corresponding factor. Then we can put it that way, the one factor multiplied by second factor multiplied by third number, and we get the number.
How we will do it with number 9, as it is our number?
Very
how
good.
we will divide?
Okay, 9. So we take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? This is our number 9. Can we do equal 2 parts? Suppose I do this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is not equal. So it is not that one. Now half part it is not equal. Let's take the 3 parts. Right? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is possible. See, 3 equal parts are there. So the first one will be 3. Right? Now, can we make it half? No, we can't make it. So again, there is not possible, equal parts is not possible at all. So only this 3. But if we take it, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. As well as 1 into 9 is equal to 9. So how many factors are there? 9, 3 and 1. So factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9 और 9, 3, 1. सी ये चीज़ आपको ध्यान देनी है कि इक्वल पार्ट्स होने चाहिए. हम हाफ करने जा रहे थे लेकिन हमने देखा इधर 5 हो रहा था इधर 4, तो हाफ वाला पॉसिबल नहीं था. फिर हमने थर्ड पार्ट 3 पार्ट पर करने की कोशिश की तो देखा कि 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स हो रहे हैं. तो इस तरह से हमारे इसके फैक्टर्स निकल आए. तो वी कैन से मल्टीपल and factors are complementary to each other. Like 1 into 2 into 4 was 8. So can we make factor tree here? See, the number is there. This is 2 into 4. Further 2 is divided into 2 into 1 and 4 is 2, 2. 2 again, 2, 1, 2, 1. So why we are reaching there 2, 1? Why we can't stop it here? Because see, the factor tree is ending up to prime number. प्राइम नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं जिनका आगे और कोई फैक्टर पॉसिबल नहीं है. जैसे 1 का और फैक्टर पॉसिबल नहीं है, 2 का और फैक्टर पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो फैक्टर ट्री बनाने के लिए हम इस नंबर के तब तक लास्ट में चलते चले जाएंगे जब तक कि हमारे पास लास्ट में प्राइम नंबर्स ना आ जाए. अब मैं आपको 15 का फैक्टर ट्री बनाती हूँ. 15 है. अब ये 5 की टेबल में आता है और 3 की टेबल में आता है. 5 3 is 15. Further it is 1 5 and 1 3. So these 5 3 1 2 all these numbers are prime numbers. This is your factor tree. You can make the factor tree. If the child knows the table also, from there he can understand. Suppose table is there 1 into 2, 1 is equal to 2. So it is factor multiply. 1 3 is equal to 3, multiple factor, and this number also itself is a factor as well as a multiple of itself. ठीक है. आई होप ये आपको लेसन इंटरेस्टिंग लगा हो, पसंद आया हो तो लाइक ज़रूर करिए. थैंक यू. सी यू सून.